Hello everyone and welcome to my channel and welcome to this video. Today we will be making this cute two little bookmarks, and for that I did use this Fontaine watercolor paper. It is cold press, 100% cotton, 300 DSM and 18 by 24 centimeters, which I divided into 4 parts, and today using 2 of them. For the watercolors I used Rubens Floral set, and for the colors Indian yellow, a little bit of the indigo, some olive green and burnt brown. For the brushes today I used this Dainayw number 2 mop brush and Raphael number 8 round brush. Also used Micron 03 ink pen to do the inking, and that's basically all the supplies I did use. So without further ado, let's get to our bookmarks. I will be starting with the inking today, so because I do want to have the text on top of my tree, first I'm gonna write that text. For the first bookmark, I'm gonna write great book. And for the second one, I'm gonna write in love to read. You can just absolutely write whatever you like. Passionate reader. Just leisure time. Whatever you like to write in, that's fine. And then moving on to painting or drawing the details on my tree. So just gonna do some ovals and then connect them with the main line for the tree trunk, and just connect again the branches to that larger branch, add in a little bit of the details, some dots, stylize my tree a bit. Again, you can do it, doodle it just the way you like it. And also I will add a little bit of the details on the sides of my bookmarks. And then moving on to the second one. Again, first I'm gonna draw in the branches to this one. And then draw in the leaves on top of them. These are going to be, again, oval, but slightly different. Add in a bit more details, again, stylize those branches and the leaves, adding some stems to them, stamens, or central veins. And then do some more details on the sides of the bookmark. Just gonna move on to my watercolors. First, I'm gonna start with Indian yellow and my first bookmark. So just gonna loosely add some watercolors on top of my drawing, on top of my ink. Mix a little bit of the indigo and some burnt brown to create this slightly grayish tone. Some splatters with that mixture of brown and blue. And some splatters with the clean water to create a little bit more of the texture, and add in the bottom part. And then moving on to the second one, I'm going to use olive green to start off that one. At the end it's going to look like I used same colors, but yeah, they dried pretty similar, that Indian yellow and olive green. Again, mixture of burnt brown and indigo. Some more splatters with that mixture, and some more splatters with green. Add in the bottom part quite loosely again. And some more splatters with the clean water. I will dry it partially, just leave it a little bit of the wet, add in some more splatters with clean water for a little bit more of the texture, and then some more splatters with blue. I'm gonna dry it fully. And now that this is dry, just gonna add in a bit more of the details with a mixture of indigo and burnt brown. Just gonna add in a few more leaves using the tip of my brush, just pressing on the bottom on my paper and creating those tree shapes, those leaves shapes. Same thing to the other tree. This time I used green and then this mixture of blue and brown. And with that, we're done. It's quite simple as that. I'm gonna remove my tape, but just gonna do just one more thing, add in a bit more of the paint to the sides just to embellish a little bit of the sides of my bookmark. And with that, we are done. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and decided to give it a try. It's a fun idea. You can also use it for cards, write in any text you like, completely up to you. If you do like this video, please hit the like button, share it, and comment, maybe hype it. I would really appreciate that a lot. And if you haven't still, please do subscribe to my channel. I have many tutorials here for beginners and advanced painters, and I'm sure you will love it. Also, if you do like a little bit more in-depth tutorials, real-time tutorials, I do have a Patreon, so you can check it out. I will link it in the description box if that's what you like. Again, thank you so much for joining me today, and I hope I'll see you next time. Bye!